In order to take advantage of the full range of purchasing functionalities in Dynamics 365 Business Central, you first need to know how to create new vendors. First, make your way into the vendors list. You can access this page directly from your home screen if your vendors list is bookmarked to your navigation menu, or by clicking on the drop-down menu under Purchasing and selecting Vendors. Once you are in the Vendors page, click on the New button to open a list of vendor templates. It is good practice to have templates for both domestic and foreign vendors. For this example, we will use the domestic vendor template. After you select the template, it will open up a new vendor card. This is where you will enter the vendor's information, including their name, contact information such as the vendor's address, invoicing details, applicable payment information, and any relevant receiving codes. Once you have entered all of the relevant vendor information, simply hit the back arrow to return to the vendor list. From here, you should see your new vendor has been automatically added to the list of vendors. Thank you for joining us for this Kwixand tutorial on how to create a vendor in Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you have any questions, please enter them in the comments below or reach out to us directly at info@kwixand.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use Dynamics 365 Business Central.